Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about render and commit in React, two crucial steps in building performant applications. First, let's define what render and commit mean in the context of React. Render is the process of creating a virtual representation of your application's user interface, while commit is the act of updating the actual DOM with the changes made during the render process. When a component state or props change, React will re-render the component. However, sometimes a component's output doesn't actually change even when its props or state do. React uses a virtual representation of the DOM to efficiently update the actual DOM during the commit phase. By minimizing the number of DOM manipulations needed, React can greatly improve your app's performance. Thanks for watching.